Woke up to a message blinking in red. Item not as described, though I said what I said. Photographed it twice, wrote it out clean. Now they want its return, like it came from a dream. EA creeping in like a thief in the night. Government wants their slice, but my margin's tight. Where's your national insurance? Ask HMRC. I just sell old charges, mate, let me be. It's the eBay hustle, the digital dance, where reason and logic don't stand a chance. I list, I pack, I pray then wait. Brinks knocking again with another debate. Buyer wants it free, plus tracked UK shipping. Wants vintage jeans